Hi, I'm Robin from the YouTube channel Faith in Flower, where I share videos on homemaking inspiration. I count on Erin Condren to keep me on track with everything from my family schedule, to-do list, meal planning, budgeting, you name it. Today I have the privilege of introducing you to the brand new Just My Type Life Planner from Erin Condren. The new Just My Type Life Planner provides a clean canvas for color lovers and neutral lovers alike. Mine is colorful on the outside with the painted stripes cover and neutral on the inside with the horizontal layout. This planner comes in two colorways, colorful or neutral, and it features minimal planning pages with hand-lettered quote pages with an option for colorful tabs and quotes or neutral through and through. I love the understated, elegant look that the Just My Type offers, which leaves lots of room for creativity and customization. This planner has all of the amazing qualities of a life planner that you love and expect from Erin Condren. You can sticker it up or keep it clean and minimal with Just My Type. There are more ways to personalize to fit your specific style and schedule, and whatever your goals, this collection of fun and functional organization essentials is designed to help you achieve your goals and reduce stress. Erin Condren planners have been a game changer in helping me organize my time and tasks so that I can get it all done and enjoy more of the things that really matter. I'm so excited to see all of the new things that Erin Condren has in store for this year's launch, and I know you are too. I want to invite you to come on over and check out my YouTube channel, Faith in Flower, and follow me on Instagram at Robin_Faith in Flower.